Hey y'all, so I've been using in this shampoo, conditioner, and what is this, hair taming system serum for about 2 weeks now. So I wanted to give my honest reviews about it. The hair taming system by GK Hair. This is a moisturizing shampoo and it has color protection and it smells super good. Love this stuff. Love the conditioner. Love this. However, I do kind of deal with oily hair, so I only put it on my ends. But today I did take it up a little higher, but look at the shine that it gives. Like, it just gives just a shine. And I deal with having like thinner hair that just never wanted to grow because of my strep issues. But I'm feeling it. I like this stuff. So definitely check them out. I really am in love with this. Like, this right here is going to be my go-to for a lot of things. Like, even if I don't use the shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to continue to use this. This is like holy grail. I love it. But I really love the conditioner and shampoo too. Like, they're a great brand, affordable. Definitely check them out. You know, I'm all about anything that saves money, and anything that works good on my hair tends to work best or really good on other people's hair, because my hair is just such a pain in the butt. But check them out.